All right, welcome to this overview of the Fire Manifesting app. So this app was designed to let hand crews, helitack crews, or really any fire aviation personnel in the wildland fire community to be able to generate manifests. So there's two different kinds of manifests you can generate: internal, people and gear flying within a helicopter, or external, so gear flying in sling cargo nets. This app automates that process that you would normally do within your head and on paper in calculating the number of loads you need and the people and gear in those loads based on some allowable helicopter weight and the total weight of your crew. So this page right here is your manage crew page. It's going to be where you add and edit your crew members and gear. It's going to be where you define the personal tools that you have. These are the tools that always travel on your person when going to and from a fire. Then it is also going to be where you define your trip preferences, which are the standard operating procedures that you or your crew follow when traveling to and from a fire. And those preferences are used in this quick manifest feature in the internal load calculating algorithm. Just click on this box here, select the preference that you make, and it's going to tell the algorithm how you want your crew members and gear distributed amongst the loads. There's also a build your own feature so you can start from scratch. Whenever you create a trip, it's going to show up in the saved trips page. If you click on the trip, it's going to give you a top level overview of all of your loads. If you select on a single load, you can view the contents within. If you need to edit the trip, click on the options icon in the top right, select edit trip, and here you can really manipulate the loads however you want. You can drag loads around. You can remove crew members, you can remove gear, you can add items and crew members back. And then also it's going to tell you if you are overweight or if there's not enough seats, it's going to show up black. So when you're done, click on the save here. And for the final step of the process, to export the trip, that way you can share it with other crew members or a helicopter manager or whomever. Just select the export and it's going to give you the option to export it to a specific form. If you select the helicopter manifest, it's going to ask you to enter in some more additional information to include on that form. And then it's going to export to the interagency helicopter passenger cargo manifest. This is the form that was used primarily because it was designed for hand crews in Alaska. If there is a specific form that you use, please click on the submit feedback in the settings page, type in what you need to type in, include that form, and send it to the email attached. I, the developer, will review that form and I will try to get that into the app as soon as I can. The last couple features that I'd like to talk about in the overview are the crew loadouts and the crew sharing. So crew loadouts is just your way to simply navigate in between different crew setups. Right now I'm working in crew main, which is defined or shown here in the manage crew page. If you need to switch to just a specific squad on your crew, it's just that easy and you don't have to enter in all of that data all over again. You can simply switch back and forth in between them. Lastly, crew sharing allows you to export all of this data that you made into a file to be shared with other crew members. So then crew members can just import that file. That way it allows you to have a single crew member manage all of your data without other people having to do it. So that's it for this overview. We are going to go through each and every one of these features in the coming videos.